Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and if you are new, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We'd love to have you a part of this nation. Like these videos and turn on that notification. It's right there at the right hand of this video that you're watching. So today I am whipping up some lattes for you guys. So just sit back, relax, let's enjoy this video. So I'm gonna go and sanitize the area down, and what you can use for this, if you guys do not know, if some of you do not know, you can use Clorox wipes, you can use alcohol or products that you have. So this is the Versagel right here, and today I'm just gonna do the latte from the nude collection that I did, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get that nice soft cream. It's not really matte, but it's gonna be a little silky kind of texture combination. So let's get started with that. Yeah, so this is the Versagel right here, and some of the steps we don't really need to go through, because if you want to see how I got this consistency already, is I told you guys before that I usually melt my Versagel a bit, and this makes it much easier with all of the stirring and stuff, but I will have that video linked. So I'm just going to be adding the oils that I like to add, and you know, this is my absolute favorite grapeseed oil. Putting that into it first. I also like to add some vitamin E. It acts as a preservative also, but it's not like the broad spectrum preservatives. So you can also add some vitamin E into your lip gloss base. I also add the fractionated coconut oil. I love that. It's light. It doesn't have the scent, so if you're not sure about the coconut scent, you can just use the fractionated coconut oil, and I think it's very clear, especially if you want to use it for a clear gloss or something like that. So this is my most recent favorite right here. I don't know if I pronounced the name right, but I'll have it running across the screen, and it's octidodecanol, and it's like an emollient. I usually use a bit of this. I just absolutely love this. And I also use the hydrogenated polyisobutene. These two are very much similar, so you can choose which one you would like to use out of the two of them, and you should get the same results. But I put a tad bit of each in it because I like my glosses hydrating, high glossy, and yeah, it makes it a much better base. So let me just add some more grapeseed oil into this. And then we're going to go about stirring it as usual. So what I wanted to say about oils is for you guys to remember that grapeseed oil, almond oil, coconut oil, and the castor oil, those are carrier oils, and those are what you can use when you want to make your lip glosses and stuff. They are not essential oils. Essential oils are a bit different, and you do not put essential oils into your glosses or your gloss base. So this is pretty much good consistency right now for where we are at. So I'm just gonna be adding the colors into this now. So what I'm gonna be using is the white liquid pigment, you know, the white coloring. And I have these also at my Etsy shop, and I'm gonna use this brown. I do not have this brown at the shop. I never sold this, but I have it as a mixture for myself, and it's just brown, the brown Acai. And if you want to know where to buy your oxides and pigments from. I do have a video on that. You guys can go and check that out also. So what I do is, for the latte, the nude, I'm gonna use some of my white liquid pigment because I want this to be a bit cloudy for now. I want that cloud, okay? So as you can see, it's getting a little bit cloudy. It's at a good consistency. So we want to add some more. And this is very white because we're trying to get that nude look, that latte that I have at the Etsy shop. I think I listed it in my previous video, but will have the link listed below for you guys to go and check that out also at the Etsy shop. So let's add some more white into that. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for. That cloudy white look. And it's already at a great consistency. So this is gonna be nice and glossy. This is very deep brown. I'm just gonna add a tad bit of this into this mixture. So we see where we're going. First. Okay, mix it around well. And now we're gonna add some more white into this. So if you guys have any idea on how you mix your nude, you can let me know. So what I'm gonna also put into this nude is some mica, and it's called Ivory lace. So I'm just gonna use a tad bit of that with my little scoopy here. So as you see, it's really, really getting that latte, that nude look. And I think I might add some more of that mica into this. See, you want that to be like that. It's coming on perfect. Just let me add a tad bit, adding some more of the ivory lace. And as you can see, the mica just melts into the base. That's why we can just throw that into the base raw like so, unlike oxides. Okay, so the flavoring I'm going to be using for this is going to be more like a vanilla type, smooth, soft type. I already dabbed some of the vanilla into it, so I'm just going to add some of my butterscotch also, and it smells amazing. So let me tell you what you can also do to your base. Whatever flavoring you use, you can always add a tad bit of peppermint oil, that flavoring, to your base also. It gives it a much better flavor without the strong scent of the peppermint. Like you can use it with your cotton candy, you can use it with your strawberry, you can use it with your butterscotch, and some other flavors that you would like. Just put a tad bit of peppermint oil in it also, and that's a flavoring. I'm not talking about essential oil. Yeah, so this base is almost just about ready. As you can see, it is the latte, and like I said, I have these at my Etsy shop, and it's extremely fluffy, smooth, and creamy. I'm gonna do a swatch for you guys. And yeah, but if you guys are wondering, I do have lip liquid pigments and colorants at my Etsy shop for you guys to go and check out. I have a bestseller nude bundle that has been selling very well over the past year, So you guys can go and check that out also. And I have some other little goodies on there for you to check out. So this is what we're looking for. See? Lovely. When you do your gloss base, this is what you would want your gloss base to be like. So we're just gonna scoop these out in some tubes. Make sure we get these corners. So I really like to squeeze. Make sure they're down in there. So I also wanted to let you guys know of some of these that I have in stock also. That has the Chanel C and the Louis Vuitton, and you guys can go and check those out also. So I'm just gonna swatch it here for you guys. There you have it. Nude. So this is what we have so far, and we're just gonna finish the rest of them. So we've come to the end of this videos. I hope you guys did enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and turn on that notification.